What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. If you don't know, now you do. And today we're going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. Today it is, of course, my February one because I can't believe it's already like mid-February. It's only like 2 more weeks and it's March. This month went by hella fast and I can't believe it's time to unbox my February boxes. So yeah, pretty simple, pretty laid back. Grab a drink, grab some water, whatever floats your boat, and let's get right to it. Alright, so here is my Boxycharm. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's actually a monthly subscription. The small box is $25. This is the base box, and you get 4 to 5 full-size items. And you get it every month, or you can do, I think, every 3 months, or they have different like plans for it, but it's basically just $25 every month, 4 to 5 full sizes, and it's makeup, it's skincare, it's tools like brushes and things like that. They're like getting into like hair too, so I think it's an amazing deal. So I definitely just want to sit down and show you what I got and show you how great of a deal it is. So like I said, this is the smaller one. This is the base box. This is $25. And let's open her up. And boom, there she is. So this is everything that I got in my base box. So let's get right to it. Okay, so let's start. The first thing in the box is these Luxie Complete Sponge Set. It looks like it's Bake, Contour, and Detail. So it looks like it's 3 little, well, not little sponges, but it looks like it's a little mini one and then 2 big size ones. All right, and then let me open them. So let's see. That's what you're doing. Alright, it took me forever and a day to open them, but this is what they're looking like. I mean, of course, they're going to feel a little better once you dampen them, but they feel pretty soft. Ooh, this one feels softer. Let me see how the little one is. Yeah, I mean, they're pretty firm, but once you put the water under them, once you dampen them, they'll definitely get softer. So I'm hoping that they're good sponges, because my favorite is, don't mind it being dirty, I actually just used it today, but this is the e.l.f. sponge, which this is only $5. So I do notice I don't have a card in here. Usually they put a card of like the pricing and what they're used for and what it is, but there's literally no card in here, so I do apologize. I'll put down below what the price is for each item. They do accumulate to be about $125, so I'm guessing that's what this month is as well. But let's get right to the second one. All right, so I'm excited to get this. This is the Becca foundation. This is the 24-hour foundation. I didn't like this foundation, and then I liked it, but then I didn't like it again. It's just, and it's one of those that you literally have to put so little for it to not look heavy. Like if you put just a little bit, it looks beautiful, like beautiful. And that's what my problem is. I have a heavy hand. Ooh, this is pretty light. They did give us like 4 or 5, no, it's probably more. Maybe like 6 options, and I felt like this would be the one that's closest to me. Which, when I had this before, I did have a really dark color because it was during the summertime. And when I tan, girl, like, I'm like 2-3 shades darker than what I'm originally. So I wanted to, of course, get my shade that I am now. This one is in vanilla. So let's see. It she'll pump out. That actually might work. I mean, it is a little light, but I do remember, I think this oxidizes a little bit. So we'll see how it looks in a couple minutes. But I do know this is actually, I want to say like $44. So the fact that we got a full foundation, like full-size foundation, let me turn that around, in the box is amazing. Because this box is $25. You already bought my foundation, like, thank you. All right, and then for the third thing in the box, this is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay. Ooh, coconut setting powder. I've heard of the brand Ciate, but I've never actually heard of this setting powder, so this must be really new. up. Ooh, that looks hella white. That better not give me no flashback or I'm gonna be pissed. I apologize, I don't have the card with me, so I'm not sure what it is. I'll put the price down below, and let's get to the next one. And then for the next one, this is the Laura Geller New York Gilded Honey. What is this? Swirl Illuminator. Baked Gelato. I know this is like real famous. That's like old school. I'll be honest, I never got into like high-end makeup, but apparently this is like a classic. So let me swatch her. Ooh, would you look at that? Let's see.
Dang, she's pretty.
Ooh, I like that. Ooh, look at that. I love her. Ooh, and then when I'm tan, this will be a highlighter. I already know it. Ooh, she pretty. Okay, and then for the last thing in the box, this is Avio Skin Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. So I did see on a video that they are biodegradable. Let's see if it says on here. So it does has cannabis seed oil. It has for balancing multifunctional anti-fatigue, and it's biodegradable. So I'm always down to try new wipes. My favorite makeup wipes are actually the ones from Target, the off-brand. I don't like the Neutrogena ones. They're too oily and they leave that film on my face. I don't like actually, I've tried a lot of them and I don't like a lot of them, but that Target one, that off-brand, is like my favorite. So, I mean, I'll give these a try. Hopefully they smell good because I can't stand ones that stink. So, yeah. That was actually everything in my box. Once again, it was the wipes, it was the highlighter, the powder, the foundation, and the 3 sponges, which I do like this box. I would definitely get use out of the foundation, the highlighter. I'm definitely going to try out these. The only thing that really might not work is the powder, but I'm still going to try it out. I was kind of bummed because I really wanted the Alameda Cosmetics brushes, but I can just always buy those on my own. Instead, they gave me these. But it's all good. I like this, and I would definitely put what the full balance is of the whole box. So yeah, that's what my box is for my February base. And yeah, let's get right to the premium. Alright guys, so we're going to get into the big boy right here. This is the Boxycharm Premium, which this one is $35 versus that base box, which is $25. You do have to be a member first with the $25, and then once you're in, you can go and upgrade to the the $35 box, which I get both because I have problems and I just need everything. So yeah, that's why I get both. But here she is. So that's the Boxycharm Premium. And ooh, this one does have a card in it, which is super helpful. It's all like crinkly, but yes. For the February, of course, the theme is adore. Sorry, it's all bent, but it is adore. So, because of Valentine's Day and all of that. But that was the theme this month. Let's see. Let's start with the first one. So the first one is the Sutra. This item is the Sutra Beauty Ceramic Flat Iron, which I was super excited because I do like their flat irons. They've given out flat irons, blow dryers, like a whole bunch of things actually in Boxycharm. So like I say, girl, like it's a deal. Like I don't know how to buy flat irons and straighteners and curlers, like, so the fact that they're giving me this full-size one, full size, look at this bad boy, this is huge. It is a full-size flat iron, and I'll be honest with you, I don't straighten or I don't curl my hair often because I'm just lazy, but I'm down to have a new one. I've had the same one for like 10 years, and it's I want to say it's like Revlon. Or yeah, I think it's a Revlon one. I don't know, I gotta check on there, but I've literally had that for 10 years and it's lasted me and it still works, so I'm gonna use it till it dies. But hey, it's nice to have another one. And this one is $79.99. 80 bucks. 80 bucks for this flat. Ow! This is $80, which hello, the box was $35 and one item alone is $80. You can't tell me that's not a good deal, because I mean, come on now, like full size, full-size flattener. And I'll be honest, I don't really know if like this is an amazing brand. I have other things from Boxycharm and they work for me, so hopefully this does the same. But yo, if I flat iron my hair and go to work, like my co-workers would be so happy, because I literally work in a salon. If you don't know, I work in a salon, and I mean, I always look presentable, but I just don't like straightening my hair and curling my hair anymore. I guess because I'm just tired in the morning and I want to put my makeup on and then like leave out the house. I guess that's why, but I just don't do it as much anymore. And whenever I do have my hair done, they're always like, oh snap, like where you going? Because they know damn well that I don't be going nowhere. So if I have my hair done, obviously I'm going somewhere. So, and then the second item in the box is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. This is $28, which I'm super excited to get this. I've been wanting this spray for a while now, and I just love Glow Recipe. They're so cute. That's how she's looking. And it definitely smells like watermelon, just like their moisturizer, just like the other one. I actually haven't tried the sleeping mask yet that I got in my last month, but I'm just trying to get through the moisturizer that I have now, because I know like a lot of people be like mixing and matching, but look, like I got sensitive skin. I'm not trying to break myself out. I want to see what works for me, what doesn't work for me, and then if it doesn't work, throw it out. If it does work, keep it. And the one that I'm using now works, so I might as well just use it up till it's gone and then move on to the next one. So yeah, rant over. But anyways, this is the Glow Recipe. Let's see how she sprays. Ooh, let me see. Oh my god, it just smells so good. It smells like watermelon. It smells like the watermelon Jolly Ranchers. Ugh, I just love it. But yeah, I'm super excited, and like I said, it was $28. Item in the box is the Hourglass Ambient Light Blush, which is $40 fucking dollars. $40 for this little brush. But if you know, Hourglass is a super bougie brand, which I have always wanted to try their stick foundation because they say it's amazing. But here is the blush. So here is the blush. It kind of has like a mirror look to it, and boom, that's what she's looking like. I mean, they're supposed to be super good. I mean, I know it doesn't really look like much in the pan, but it looks like it's shimmery, which as long as it's not glittery, then I'm okay. But it does have a little bit of shine to it. I mean, this isn't like the first color that I would go to, but I do like it. I mean, it's a bougie brand. I might as well use it. And oh, it had a mirror as well, so that's nice. But this little thing is $40, so I'm definitely gonna be using it, not letting it go to waste. I mean, sometimes I like to just put a little blush, sometimes I go a little too ham, but on my days that I just want to be kind of natural, I'll definitely use this. So yeah, that's this, which I can't really even see it on my skin. I mean, you could kind of see like the sheen of it, but we'll see. In the box is the Fascia Skincare 24K Gold Foil Moisturizer, and this is $100. $100 moisturizer. Like, what? This better be like doing miracles for my skin. $100, you crazy. All right, so like I said, this is $100, and there was actually some like drama with this because it does say that it was made in China, so people are thinking like, oh, you're just putting like $100 value when it's really not. It's probably one of those like cheapy ones from China, and you're just trying to like make it look like it's more. But ooh, that's pretty though. Look at that packaging. That don't look like no cheap stuff. And it's glass. Yeah, it's definitely glass. Oh, I just said that I was gonna wait, but girl, this bougie. Like, look at that. Look at that gold in there. That's pretty. And it smells good. I might have to switch it up a bit. All right, so let's get on to the next one. This is the Tarte Cosmetics Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. What a long name. But this is $30, which I've actually never tried the primer. I do love the Face Tape foundation. Holy Grail, that is beautiful foundation, but this is what she's looking like. She does look white, so I don't know how this is gonna look. It does smell good. Ooh, it feels kind of like a moisturizer, and then you can see that it is glowy. So, I mean, I could use this. If not, I could probably give it to someone. I mean, it's nice to have. It's $30, so boom, like $5 more, and that's the whole box. All right, and then the last item in the box is the Coors body butter, which is this big old bad boy. This is a pretty big bottle, and it's 7.95 ounces, and it's Water Lily Blossom. See how she look, or not how she looks, how she smells. Ooh. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, yep, this gonna be my new body butter, because I love body butter. I just love it. I love it. Ooh, she smells good. Ooh, I'm excited to wear this. Ooh, okay, I see you, Boxycharm. All right, so that concludes everything in the premium box. Like I said, it was the flat iron full size. It was the 2K. It was the 24K moisturizer. It was the Glow Recipe Ultrafine Mist. It was the Coors Body Butter. And it was the Hourglass Blush. And then lastly, it was the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. So yeah, I really like everything in this box. I'm super excited for this. I really love how this smells. And I mean, it's always nice to have like bougie items that I know damn well I wouldn't buy, like a $40 blush. But I mean, I'm happy to use her, and I'm kind of excited to try this, even though there was some like controversy about it. I mean, I'll try it. I mean, as long as it doesn't break me out, I'll just stop using it. So, and this flat iron, I'm excited to see if this works as well. So yeah. All right, so that concludes everything in my February boxes. I want to thank you guys for watching. I'm super excited for next month's Boxycharm, because not only is it Boxy Luxe, that's a 3-month box, and that's a huge box, and it comes with so much stuff. So I'm excited for that. It's also going to be the Fenty Premium box. Yes, girl, like Fenty. Like the whole box is going to be Fenty, and I love me some Fenty, so I'm really excited for that box. But I just want to thank you guys for watching and supporting my channel. I know this is like kind of a lot of information, and I kind of unbox a lot of things, but I just get a lot of shit, and I just want to share it with you guys and show you that you can get a lot of makeup for like lower price. Like, you don't have to sit there and pay all this money all the time when you can literally get a subscription that's $25 and you get like over $125 worth of stuff. So I don't know about you, but I'm gonna keep a Boxycharm, so I definitely recommend it to y'all. But please be sure to subscribe and also put that notification bell, because I mean, I know you're gonna come back, so you might as well join the squad. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.